Good morning. It's 7th and 8th grade career education, and I am Miss Lively. Now that we studied 8 of the 16 career clusters this year, let's take a turn and look at resources. One of the possible resources that you can get for understanding whether or not you belong in a certain career cluster is school resources. Some of the best resources for learning about careers come from school. You have access to teachers, career education teachers, school counselors, and others that will give you information to match your strengths and abilities to careers that may be interesting to you. You never know, other people may see great potential in you and maybe give you suggestions that you never even thought of before. Another kind of resource that you could seek is community resources. There are many different jobs or careers in your community that you may not have even thought of. Just by talking to someone directly in a job can give you more information than the web or books can provide because they're giving you an experience that they've went through and had firsthand knowledge of to be able to relay that information to you. For instance, if you're interested in becoming a police officer, you can talk to a police officer, ask them what their career is like, ask them about what things do they like best about their job, what did they have to go through to get that career. There's many different ways that the community can open a door of resources for you. You just have to look for them. So for your first part of the assignment, think about it. Think of some activities that interest you. For example, do you like to write stories or ride bikes? Do you like to draw comic books or play the video game? Do you like to solve math problems or fixing broken machines? Please make a list of 5 things that you like to do. Only 5. I know there's so many things you guys can think of, but please only send me 5. Once you have completed that, here's assignment part 2. Of the 8 career clusters that we studied this year, which of them did you find the most interesting? We studied human resources, human services. We studied education and training. We studied law, public safety. We studied transportation, logistics, and distribution. We talked about in the beginning business management, finance career cluster. Please choose one and state why you think this one would be interesting. Once you have completed assignment part 1 and part 2, please email them to me. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Once again, thanks guys, and until next time, enjoy your day.